local market in Namche. I suppose not for tourists, but for locals.
कति
मकै यो 200 हो 150 मा ल
कतिको
पूर्वको
What are you looking for? You want to purchase something? Ah, okay. Ginger.
पूर्व भनेको थियो धेरै आउँदो रहेछ नि यार 100 रुपैयाँ गर्नु न
होइन नि अब 200 ले त
And down some clothing. Oh. It's me. Wow.
Bondo case. Konne putih 10 लाख.
Lah tak ada ho.
10 लाख.
Lah bondo ke sok भरे नि. अन्ते एउटा सुकारा.
उतै राखिरहेको छ नि.
नपाकेको हाल्नु नास्तिर लानु खाइहेर्दाको मिलाइदिन्छ अरू ठाउँ के लानु नि लानु लानु 300 गरौँ न हजुर 300 हो 350 अब उठाउनु लानु नि त लानु
म देख्छु ए त पैसा पनि दिनुस् है अब त ल मेरो यसमा लाउनुले आउँदैन फुडेर म
अनि यो तीनटा त्यो माथि अरु सब यो पनि उतै राख्नु
two times
But still viewers. So this market is twice a week?
Yeah, twice a week, Friday, and Saturday. Yeah.
But tourists also can buy here.
Yeah, tourists also can buy. Anyone who want to buy, anyone can buy here.
Okay, good to know.